You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your daily tasks. I bet you didn't know that the average person spends over 2 hours each day on mundane tasks. Are you tired of wasting hours on repetitive activities every day? From answering emails to scheduling meetings and even data entry, it's astonishing how these small tasks can add up over time. That's over 700 hours a year gone. Imagine what you could do with that time. You could learn a new skill, spend more time with loved ones, or even start a new hobby. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you could achieve with those extra hours. You could finally work on that passion project you've been putting off, or perhaps take a much-needed vacation. The extra time could be a game changer in your personal and professional life. This is where the magic of AI comes in. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. By automating repetitive tasks, AI can help us reclaim those lost hours and use them more effectively. In 2024, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming our daily lives in ways we never imagined. From smart assistants that manage our schedules to advanced algorithms that optimize our workflows, AI is making a significant impact. It's a powerful tool available to everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a homemaker, AI can help you streamline your tasks and improve your efficiency. It's not just for tech enthusiasts or large corporations. It's for everyone. AI can automate those tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to help. That's the power of AI. Imagine a life with less stress and more time for creativity, passion projects, or simply relaxing. With AI handling the mundane, you can focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or spending quality time with family, AI can help make it possible. AI automation is the key to unlocking this potential. By leveraging AI, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's time to break free from the time trap and embrace the future of productivity. The future is now, and with AI, you have the tools to make the most of it. So why wait? Start exploring the possibilities of AI today and transform your life for the better. We'd love to hear from you. How do you think AI will impact your life? Which AI application excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and participate in our interactive poll. Your feedback helps us understand how AI can better serve you. Don't forget to vote in our poll. Which AI feature excites you the most? A. Smart assistants. B. Workflow optimization. C. Home automation. D. Other. Comment below. Let's get the conversation started. To sum up, AI can save you hundreds of hours by automating repetitive tasks, giving you more time for what truly matters. Whether it's enhancing productivity, pursuing passions, or simply enjoying life, AI is here to help. By understanding and leveraging AI, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Embrace AI today and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content about AI and technology. Also, comment below on your favorite AI tools or share your experiences with AI automation. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore even more incredible tech innovations. And remember, when comes spend time loved ones, AI can make it all possible. AI is revolutionizing our daily lives. In a world where every second counts, AI emerges as a powerful ally, helping us manage time more effectively. Imagine having a personal assistant to handle all the mundane tasks. No more worrying about setting reminders or organizing your calendar. From scheduling meetings to sorting emails, AI simplifies your life. It prioritizes tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The magic of AI lies in its ability to learn and adapt. Unlike static tools, AI evolves with you, understanding your preferences over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This continuous learning process means AI becomes more efficient, offering solutions tailored to your needs. AI tools analyze your habits, providing personalized solutions. Whether it's suggesting the best time for a meeting or recommending relevant content, AI stays ahead. This personalized approach sets AI apart from traditional tools. While traditional tools follow predefined rules, AI adapts and evolves, offering unique solutions. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about optimizing your workflow. AI identifies bottlenecks and suggests improvements, making processes more efficient. By understanding your work style, AI integrates seamlessly into your routine, enhancing efficiency without disrupting your flow. Moreover, AI provides valuable insights for decision-making. By analyzing data and identifying patterns, it helps you make informed choices. AI also enhances collaboration and communication within teams. It manages project timelines, assigns tasks, and predicts challenges, keeping everyone aligned. Beyond efficiency, AI boosts creativity. By offering new perspectives and ideas, it inspires innovative solutions and helps you think outside the box. Ultimately, AI helps achieve a better work-life balance. By managing both personal and professional tasks, it frees up your time for what truly matters. Embrace AI as your time-saving ally and experience a future where technology works for you, making life easier, more fulfilling, and balanced. We've all been there. Those moments when the weight of our tasks feels almost unbearable. Stuck in a rut of repetitive tasks, feeling our energy and motivation dwindle. It's a cycle that seems never-ending, where each click and keystroke feels like a drain on our very essence. These tasks, while seemingly insignificant, take a toll on our productivity and mental well-being. The ticking clock becomes a constant reminder of time slipping away, adding to our stress and anxiety. The constant need to switch between these tasks disrupts our focus and prevents us from entering a state of deep work. Multitasking, though often seen as a skill, actually fragments our attention and reduces our efficiency. This fragmented workflow leads to decreased productivity and increased errors. Mistakes become more frequent and the quality of our work suffers, leading to even more frustration. Beyond productivity, the mental impact of repetitive tasks is significant. The constant strain can lead to mental fatigue, making it harder to concentrate and think clearly. They contribute to feelings of boredom, frustration, and even burnout. The monotony of these tasks can sap our enthusiasm and leave us feeling drained and unfulfilled. By automating these tasks, we free up mental space for creativity, problem solving, and strategic thinking. Automation allows us to focus on what truly matters, enabling us to bring our best selves to our work. When we are not bogged down by mundane tasks, we can collaborate more effectively, innovate, and drive meaningful progress. Our work becomes more fulfilling, and our mental well-being improves. Taking breaks and practicing mindfulness can also help mitigate the mental drain. Stepping away from our screens and engaging in activities that refresh our minds can boost our productivity and overall happiness. By integrating these practices into our daily routines, we can create a healthier, more balanced approach to work. This not only enhances our productivity, but also ensures that we maintain our mental well-being in the long run. The good news is that a plethora of AI tools are available to help you reclaim your time. These tools are designed to tackle a wide range of tasks, from managing your inbox to scheduling meetings. Let's explore some of the most popular and effective AI tools in 2024. Smart email management with AI. AI-powered email clients are a game changer for anyone who feels overwhelmed by their inbox. These tools can prioritize important emails. AI algorithms learn which emails are most important to you and prioritize them accordingly. They can also filter out spam and irrelevant messages. Say goodbye to endless scrolling through junk mail, and they can automate email responses. Set up smart replies for common inquiries, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. AI-powered scheduling, your personal assistant. Imagine having a personal assistant who can manage your calendar, schedule meetings, and even send reminders. AI scheduling tools make this a reality. These tools can find the best time for meetings, No more back and forth emails trying to find a suitable time. They can schedule appointments and send invitations. Effortlessly schedule appointments with clients, colleagues, or even your doctor. And they can send reminders and follow-ups. Never miss an important meeting or deadline again. Conquering to-do lists with AI. To-do lists can quickly become overwhelming and difficult to manage. AI-powered to-do list apps are here to help. These apps can prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus on what truly matters and avoid getting bogged down by less important tasks. They can break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Make daunting projects feel more achievable by breaking them down into bite-sized pieces. And they can track your progress and provide insights. Stay motivated and on track with visual progress trackers and insightful analytics. AI-driven research and information gathering. Researching information online can be time-consuming and tedious. AI-powered research tools are changing the game by quickly finding relevant information from vast databases. No more endless scrolling through search results. They can summarize lengthy articles and documents, get to the heart of the matter quickly and efficiently, and they can generate reports and presentations. Create professional-looking reports and presentations with ease.